So my name is Berton Bertagna. I was born into a fourth generation farming family. My uncles and dad and my grandfather was a real big part of my life growing up farming. And I did take off and do a few other things, maybe for 9 months, 10 months, never for a full year. So I never missed a single harvest ever. I love it. For me, it's not work. I mean, I get up every day and every day there's something new. And that makes it a lot of fun. I mean, it brings excitement to the day. Almendra is almond in Spanish, and we are almond farmers, or almond, how a lot of people would say it. Up north, we tend to say almonds. Me and my wife were sitting around having a glass of wine, and she says, hey, you're a farmer, we're Italian, we love wine, why are we not, doing some wine? So we started hobby winemaking. I planted about an acre of grapes and loved farming them, loved figuring out how to grow grapes. Over time, why don't we, maybe open up a winery? And so my wife did all the paperwork and we opened our first winery in about 2006. It started the venture where we're at now that's led into another winery and distilling and different things like that. Being into the wine was a lot of fun and just learning about the winemaking process. And then spirits were always something that I've always really enjoyed, learning about how they're made, all the different flavors. My coworker, Connor, saw a still out in the country and thought that it was something that we might be interested in. And it's actually a still that was from Cognac, France. We ended up managing to purchase the still, resurrecting it, and starting distilling here about 1.5 years ago. As Bertagna grew and as we wanted to do the distillery, we thought, what a great idea to have the distillery and winery under one roof. So if you go to Almendra, you can sit there and drink a glass of wine, and you can also be looking at the copper pot still that we used, and you can go over and taste some brandy, you could taste some vodka. It's all under one roof. It's just a nice environment. We thought, hey, it'd be a great place to showcase them and people could come enjoy them. There's definitely a strong sense of pride when you produce a product and you see their reaction and they're excited about the quality and about the flavors. You've taken something from the field and took it all the way to the bottle, right to somebody's glass. When you see them enjoy that, there is a definite sense of pride in that. If you come to our winery, you're gonna get quality wines, you're gonna get great tasting environment, you're gonna see the owners a lot of times, prices are more reasonable, it's more intimate. I think you can get down to the root of things with the farmer and with the winemaker. I'm hoping everybody walks away glad they came to Almendra.